Y'all, there's a BNSF coming. I actually just got here off P007. Actually, no, P something. We got an AC-44 coming. No, that's a Z train, but it's an intermodal. Bean sniff. I definitely ruined that whole entire video with my finger. How is the thing already gone? That was literally the shortest train in my life. The shortest high priority train I've ever seen in my life. That's no, that's not a Z train. That's a garbage train. I just now noticed that. But there goes that. I should keep y'all posted with more train videos. That was just a really unexpected one, so I stood back here. Didn't really have enough time to react because I actually just got off. I don't remember what the symbol was. It was a P5 something. I rode in Amtrak Cascades down here just now, and that thing came. So thank y'all for watching. I should be posting more videos here again. Yeah, I go here every year, so. And there goes the finger again. See ya.